The M0921 code in your Bobcat means fuel level out of range high. So it's basically telling you that the level of fuel in the tank is too high. But of course, in most cases, it's not about the fuel level itself, but about the sending unit in the fuel tank or its wiring. It's not that uncommon that these units fail because they are basically just floats that go up and down the metal stick. And over time, the contact is getting worse or is lost at some points of that stick. But also the location of that sending unit is not the best in the world. A lot of mud and potentially moisture is accumulated there when you work. The fuel tanks in modern loaders are located below the engine in the engine bay, and it's not that easy to get to them. But anyway, the best and cheapest diagnostic you could have is to buy the new fuel level sensor, then unplug the connector from the one in your tank and plug in the new sensor, then put the float at about the middle of the stick and see if you still have this code. If everything now works fine, you just need to replace the sending unit that you already have. Be careful, it has a shabby plastic fastener and you will probably need a good special tool to unscrew it without breaking. But if you keep getting the M0921 code, the problem is most likely somewhere in the shorted wiring of that sending unit. And this is the point where you should get professional help. Also, before you pay for inspections, it would not hurt to check all the connections on the 12-volt battery and also the main ground connection to make sure it's not a voltage related glitch. Also, checking the 12-volt battery would be a good idea. But if this doesn't help, the problem is in corroded or broken connectors or wires, and it's almost impossible to find it without professional tools and knowledge.